Hey guys, so I am back to planning in my Happy Planner. I'm very excited. I hope you are too. There's so much to do, so I'm not even going to attempt to waste anyone's time. So we are looking at my 2017 Happy Planner. I got this at Michael's. At the time, they were 60% off, I believe. So it was definitely a steal, but it wasn't the cover that I actually wanted. The cover that I wanted was only online, and when I went in the store, they didn't have it. And I actually need to do some cleaning up because there's some scuff marks on here. But I thought this one was really, really pretty. And of course, you know me, I'll probably make my own covers as I go. But I did buy this in December, and it had a lot of 2016 in here. It actually started in August. So I have August, September, October, November. I have December. But some of these inserts right here for the monthly tabs are very beautiful. So I may end up like using them and just kind of maybe trimming the month off. I'm not sure, but I really love the gold accents. And here is just this overview of 2016 and 2017. And then let's kind of fast forward here to January, which is where we are now. There's lots of other things that I want to do for this planner to start off and do like a 2017 monthly goal dashboard, but I'll get into all of that. I'm hoping, I don't know if it's gonna be in this video or not, we'll see, because I do wanna do 3 spreads today because I am behind and I wanna get us all caught up. Let's go ahead and get started. I already took out the day that I'm starting with. So I took the pages out because it's a lot easier to work on a flat surface, plus that's the whole point of a Happy Planner is it's so customizable that you can take it out and put it back in, which I love. And if you're wondering why I'm planning for this week, I still want to plan and insert really important dates because I keep my planner. I get asked this question a lot. Do you keep your planner? What do you do with it? I keep it as memories. So because it's a creative outlet as well, and it also serves as a scrapbook. So even though I don't necessarily put a lot of photos in here, but this year I'm going to put more actual photos of my daughter and I and our memories and things like that. So I do keep my planner, and because of that purpose, like I said, that's why I'm gonna go back all the way to the beginning of January and go ahead and plan, and I'll put like anything important that happened this week. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna do some talking through, but then some just kind of not because it's really difficult to edit planner videos. So as always, I've cut out my sidebar and I've cut out my little scrapbook pieces of paper that I like to fit the boxes, and I already have a layout in mind. As always, I do my scrapbook pieces of paper first, and then I go in with the stickers that I made, and this spread is actually going to be a winter barn horse theme just because it's January and I wanted something to kind of represent snow but not related to Christmas time. So I found these really beautiful images of horses and barns, and I just thought that it would be so cute to have this little theme here. And I just realized that it is transparent. It looks like it's not because the sticker backing is white. So now I'm gonna have to go in with some white printer paper to cover up this green because that's gonna bother me. So for this week's theme, I wanted to do something still on the lines of it being cold in wintertime, and also something really girly. So I wanted to do almost like a fashion like spread where they're wearing like winter outfits, and I thought this was really cute because they're like fashionable. I mean, you really couldn't go around without some jeans on, but still I think they're just so adorable and cute, and these were my favorite little fashion dolls. So same concept as the horses in the barn. I just did a Google search on fashion and came up with these images and then printed them out, and they're already fit to size in the Happy Planner boxes. But of course you can always just cut around them if you wanted to and have them just sitting on the side. That way you have like room to write in your box. But I'm actually going to keep them this way, and now I'm also going to start looking at some scrapbook options.